Mwerareri wa Muthingi TV, karibuni sana. Ni weekend yenge ithwe nawe turagikorwo tugitongana makiria atabarira-ini itu ya Ngatha Ciitu. Hani hara twikoragwo tukirunga ciigie muturire na makiria maria maragikorwo magituhutia akana ni day to day life ana makiria maundu maria andu maragikorwo makigerera no ukorwo ukigerera kaundu hau ugeciria nowe andu ni engi magikoretwo kana hihi maundu maria maragikorwo makihanika makiria ruriri-ini ruria tukiri ni maundu magikoragwo kuo na mundu ndakanaigwe left out kana ndukanaigwe uru kuona ati ithuothe ni thabari itu nie ngakonyita ugeni ngetika kairetu ka mathako that sport girl mundu gwitwo Wambui Wanjao.
Hi, how are you? Na nigetwo Bill hanya guthie karibu sana to another weekend, another episode ya Ngatha Ciitu. Thie na mbere na kwirorera tabarira cia Muthingi TV on our Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, everywhere. Feel welcome. How have you been?
I'm well, I thank the Lord. Thank you for asking. I'm good. Yeah, I've been peaceful. Yani Jehovah aikarite ugu akajira. You see, God is a girl's dad. Ona wangerera mariku agakwira tulia wewe ni wangu wewe sikuachi akahubariri uguo and I'm doing great. I thank the Lord. How are you?
I'm doing good too. Yeah, I'm seeing progress in my life.
Tell me more.
Well, it's a personal progress and all, but it's a win.
It's a win. A win is a win.
Yes.
Ona dako hidi odaga intro ini dauga atiriri you know, people go through something mageciria no maragikigerera because ni ukoraga mundu akitinda akiuria why me kiuria ni njuragia ni atiriri we tondu ni uroria why you ri urenda wagerere mau
Exactly,
because auria tukiragwo Ngai akuheaga kigeranio we ungihota and that's why he's throwing because probably ni mari uragerera ngijikiria ni ndahuruka ndahuruka
tungihota
no tondu agaikora ugu akona hi nyaguthie maya
strong enough to handle that
maya gutukurana namo nginya mwiso
ndimutige muma nginya akanjira another path is clear thikuri urenda guthie
akwira nimekutesa sana
wenda kwenye tunataka
kuenda. I was testing you by the njuragia atiriri uroka kunjira mwe millionaire sire you know probably ni kungeria kona kana I can withstand the kiria.
The what?
Okay, withstand okay, umakie ujire I was testing to see if you be loyal friend. Okay, ujire ndakugeria nigukugeria ndakugeragia ngakuonia ta itari ndiuga nduri no kanyonia atiriri ni
ndikoragwo
mani ugani uramakia muthenya umwe ujire take this 2 million.
Don't worry, give it time. Give it time.
Muthenya omothere ndenda twakorwo tukiriria horo wigi second chances na makiria gukorwo not generally about relationships kana andu but in life ni ukoraga through for example mundu ni athomera tugito memereke museum memereke to niguo tugikite no athomera memereke warikirie cukuru miaka 3 kana 5 kana iri kumihituku but you know how this industry is.
Yes.
Ugikanyita handu uguo urugamie handu
ati urumie.
Yeah. It's a journey. So ugakora mundu riri focus yake Mike muno ri ndarenda gwika undu ungi yani specifically arenda gukorwo the TV girl TV kamuroro tunataka kukua nini
nataka tupeleke Wambo wapi
ati unajua sport wewe unajua msichana fulani nakura niachie huyu. What do you think about second chances woka ni muturire?
I think first of all, you know, in second chances means ni ukorwo na a second chance there's something you did that didn't go well heka undure kire be it a course kosie already na kuhe kiri urakoragwo gitarajia. I always feel okay, there are situations that are worth giving a second chance because ungikora ni wekete journalism ire wikare for like 5 years nduri wona ginya internship nduri ginya yagwe kare ndio gakwiyukiriria uguo ketheke tondu uria ugathire tegire internship nduri wona miaka 5 people gay kuri andu mekire journalism na ginya umuthi uyu matire mona handu ha guthii gwika kiria internship and people think it's a joke and it's not. To be honest, it's not a joke. I think in media it's all about who you know. So angikodo na connections ati mundu ni agukwira atiriri by the way niko place fulani na wanataka interns. It takes time, you see. No reure ingĩgĩkorwo atĩ mĩaka 5 nĩ yathira rĩ ndirenda na internship nginya karedio kareyũkĩrĩria ũguo can you coming up ndire I think I would take a second chance. Say na thiĩ a short course. Those are dressing, catering, and see how things will turn out.
Those are lecturer, the lecturer per se. There's a guy who used to tell us, to the internship, there are people who came specifically. All they wanted to do was radio. But there's a guy who used to tell us, tiga focus muno na radio. If you have a chance ya kuthie TV, thie ku TV, the moment we utari na wira guku radio ri, enda uko kwa TV, menye uria mekaga camera, menye uria mekaga editing ya TV. Because in as much as recommendation yaku ukandikirwo atiriri, ukandikirwo rari radio, but woma hauna skill ya riri ya a very professional studio. Ona wathi handu hangi ona no ugetiriri, hey, by the way, nilikuwa TV fulani na nidekaga editing. Now nĩũkoraga someone is focusing atĩ niĩ ndĩ ta boy rĩ niĩ enjoy sports. There's nothing else I can do. Thacio na teithĩgithia atĩ njĩrwo atĩ thiĩ wĩke ũndũ ũngĩ. I'm like mi yangu ni TV peke yangu tu ni TV peke yake. So I feel like especially ũguo tũrahũthĩra kĩrĩa ya journalism, I feel so for you to have second chances in this career, at least advancing a lot of fields.
Yeah,
because you know journalism is so wide
and keep on learning.
Yeah, kwina camera, kwina writing, kwina broadcast,
kwina social media,
like it's a whole lot of. So the moment you get a chance, for example, I know too social media, I can't do anything else.
Can I give you a story about myself? Ndathi internship ria mbere ri ndiathiĩte ati ndathi department ya social media kana digital. Nilienda newsroom. So nilienda na nikalearn basics za newsroom, because in newsroom you must know how to write a script. Lazima ujue kuedit video na lazima ujue kuvoice. Sasa sio ndo ina entail news reporting and everything. So mimi nilienda and I did all that, and then after a while nikachangiwa nikapelekwa wapi digital. So kone dogire atiriri ai simulinileta newsroom, simwache mimi nikae tu newsroom, singepata hiyo knowledge ya social media.
And that you see, for you at least you are versatile, new edit. No report.
Well, I feel
no, we get it on screen.
I'm pretty sure even with the practice, not the mother of me. Yeah, like why not?
News anchor behind your good. Let me give you a very near of my first career yago via TV ne. Ni datorite radio ne. And sorry because TV is what I do right now. But my first whatever I used to love so much.
Radio.
Yes, yari radio. Ni maugejeria ni gwikara TV ne. Ni giakurodia godi sasa TV. TV. I used to feel like TV is a lot of work. Muthenya umwe kwari na kiria kwari na sports, ilikuwa sports show ya Reja. Tondu two teams zilikuwa zimelipa hiyo TV meke ate mathie mama broadcast kiria live. So ilikuwa commentary. Mtu yangu ndeka commentary. Ndeka commentary because me the only thing I knew was ninyigire riera-ini ndimuthomere ndimwire anga Rooney athire anga Ronaldo ekire anga Portugal mahurire keke anga Manchester mekire. That's all I knew. TV wakaniambia because wewe unafanya radio and you're doing sports and we need a lady doing this, tovieko Kiambu. Mtu yangu ndahura live link. I remember kwale na kiria cia AFCON na nani ndo alikuwa juu Sadio Mane niwe wale ng'uu hindi iyo. So because of course nidare na a few details about Sadio Mane, whatever is happening in AFCON ri gebage gehura link ya mbere. Aria mari director majirage atiriri wewe msichana jamani wewe umeweza. Haya tugikaikara makihura kiria ciao wao wakafanya commentary nini ndio tugioka kurekereria ni getha tukiuge bye iheciare thutha wakwa mti iheciare thutha wakwa ri cikigucia ke njuire nino njugire live ni atiriri Ngai amenda kunduta njuire kaingiro mundu ndaugaga uguo ni gukiro ngiakira ureke kiria. So with that me no first of all ni mabaginya ni majikira guoya kai mundu ndagiri because I was just expressing because walikuwa wananivuta. How I came to branch from radio to doing a show alone. Still another, did understand how I came to co-host, because I remember the first show dekire ya sports ya Muthigi I did for, I think ilikuwa 3 hours. Na mti yangu ndiagire content. Ndahura nginya producer wakweta gwa Crispy na kiga wa. Yo.
Agitigwe mumaku.
Yes. Ndio niko ndiagire gukwira atiriri. You see, haria waikio tiho, haria waikio tiho guwaga. If radio is not working for you,
try something else.
Try something
TV.
else. And such is life. Kwina andu aingi mathomeire maybe banking, kwi mundu uthomeire anga mathabu CPA, kwi mundu uthomete, yani watu andu gukunja engineering, maundu maingi mari mundu athomeire. Yeah. There's a guy I see akoragwo group ingi ya Facebook etagwo Let's Cook. He was a banker, but he didn't feel like that was his passion. And he decided, why don't I try baking? Daishi, if you want a cake, like you want a beautiful cake, a good cake for presentation, but whenever you see whatever he's posting, this is where passion lies. And akigeria kowe between the job he was doing and baking, he would choose baking over and over again. Yeah, because because it's something he likes doing and it's something that he's enjoying doing. In as much as you love Weka Digital, there's something else you like doing.
Yeah, of course. I always feel like rimwe nituonaga atiriri totangihota nginya kuga nie ndikugeria itangikihota, and then unasahau. You see, with life I appreciate mundu with consistency. You see, like the more you post, is the more you get followers. So now when you notate your
yeah.
So before you go scroll ati niki andu aria angi mareka ri ndwambiogerie go posti. Tukirorera andu aya angi ri ona yaku tugacemania ke. So you have to try. Tukugaia atiriri you know misingeweza. We jaribu tuonange ulijaribu ni kukukataa ili kukataa. Ona
twakuhe views iria igiriri. It's genuine views.
And you see, hari mundu umwe ukipire na watch till to the end.
Yeah. Nienda kumenya atiriri niki augire. And then you see the problem with like education in this generation, they want a quick growth. Like
a quick fame.
Nenda higura TikTok umuthi. They expect that give ko mehigura rucio ni gore the 10,000 following. It doesn't work like that unless you're giving content that is not so reliable.
Weird content,
because people like that a lot. But if you're doing it like with a lot of ethics, let me put it that way. If you're doing it with a lot of ethics, mtu yangu ni goikara ginya miaka iri utari wago that at 10,000
ngiriemwe magana matano ngiakinyia hey.
And that na nigere ni ukoraga rere the people who especially wabia kwikati kwiganania as in kwirorithania na andu, you know, there are people who aria mahiguria TikTok mbere tha ici me more than 200,000, you know, 1 million following nini. When waigira muthi urenda gutwika tageke ukariganirwo o mundu ni ari gathabari gake before kehuthire ta president, before president became president ni akoretwo na gathabari ambiria ngagitwika student leader
agikethia akifarm akirugama MP
atagikate
farming agifarm poultry agicoka akirugama MP akigera ngia ringi akirugama MP o ringi agioka agitwika minister agioka agitwika deputy president na riu ni biocio
na riu no mutongoria
president of the Republic of Kenya. Who are you?
Private jet in and then sasa baba no gwore ukauga idare tuge ari cukuru fulani angekora agereire hau uri ona ningi gitwika hau ukariganirwo o mundu ni ari kirathimo giake because ithuothe tutingigania gutwika president arendwo omwe honestly
na bururi ni omwe tu wa Kenya
no tuthongethekirwo mundu athondekirwo bururi gake kana ugithi kwanyurwo
gamekuo president wa gwaku
itiguo na you know it's a win is a win.
Yeah,
we mutongoria. And that's the funny thing about life. is that in as much as we have to ogigakinya haria gacumbire no nginya uritiruka matiruka na magwa ugiukiraga uguo
the ups and downs of life.
Yeah, and if you don't appreciate the nini, if you don't appreciate the journey, ni ukora nginya ni ukwenywa kaba mti yangu.
Sometimes in life le nitwona muno tama mundu etereire ma, yani all your friends they're succeeding, uri hau nduramenya wiki atia, yani hadi uko torn in between, what am I not doing right?
Inyokabia kuria Ngai ama
mwathani kai ni mahetia mariku maya manene
ka ni mariku maya magomithire arihira.
By the way, because ni jokete gwetekia atirere, good things take time.
Yeah, true.
Good things take time.
But we had ni gukoretwo na motivation marakwira atiriri no ukorwo ni ukorwo ni kiria no ukorwo
no mahinda orate
no ukorwo ni mahinda orate.
But I believe there is God, so
but uri waikara thi we mwenyewe wewe mundu ri nuri waikara thi okay uka feel there's a fire in you that keeps pushing you, because you see if you don't have that fire you dokoragwa na the urge ya go push, but there's something kedemete hope, there's the hope of a better future na a better tomorrow. So the moment if you don't have that hope ni ukora ginya ni urathi gukira ukirathie
I think ginya ni kiando ingi ukora ni maingirire njohi na dawa cia kurebia ni kwaga hope yo. Mundu akwire ngoro agikua ngoro fiuru ndonaga ta kuri undu angika wagirire ako to the just living just for the sake to ndarenda kwiruta muoyo
arenda gukara tu he doesn't want to live normal. And you see the people, especially andu acio ngimuria why mundu ucio umwikarie thi ahinguke ona ndungikana mujudge ringi.
Yeah, true.
Ndungikana mujudge ringi because those people go through something that urona mundu ni akinya handu neuga ai whatever happens.
Sometimes I feel ginya comparison le nituma mundu a lose ginya hope in life. Tali unyabagia kwiji compare na mundu fulani. Oh, you see kai uyo twathomire nake ma primary. Tugithoma nake secondary. Nuona uria mena maisha mega. Na ideo how I'm still struggling. Yani nothing is working out for me. Deka comparison de kai. No gamukinyira, will I be able, onako diko mukinyira le, at least will my life be a bit better than it is
a bit
now.
Easier.
Kwanza ugako nduri wera, wokira karigo ri wokira wiki atia. Waki othie kuwiki atia.
And then I feel, Pia, we should, I think, whenever we're giving like second chances, we look at what talents, Shito. Because you see right now, a lot of people are earning from, let me use sports because it's my career, it's my strength. A lot of people are earning from football. A lot of people are earning from Gutengira. So, nyokoraga, these people, by the way, ugikarora adu aige, especially tuge muduratha kakana kim. Kego a very good example na captain witwa Harambee Stars, mundu witwa Olunga. Olunga is a whole engineer. Yeah, he's a whole engineer. But digiririkana the last time ni daiguria kiana from his engineering career. He's earning from football.
Ona ungiurio ni engineer wake
ni ndio but nejo ni engineer. But and for him I feel like the society should come up with a strategy ya realize mundu emunini
uka identify talent yako.
Yeah, like the US how they do it, ukamenya mundu no athake mufira, mundu no atengere, mundu no athake basketball. Instead of us wasting time, honestly sometimes I feel like probably guthoma the 8 ukathie primary 8 githomo kiega ni kinini githomo kinini ni kiega, yes, because of course nirakuruta urimu na kim na nirakuhe it's giving exposure, but the moment ndirathoma ri nyonagia atiriri wabui no thake basketball, wabui no wine, wabui no weke ati, because the moment ona de shukuru ri ona tuge de high school ri, if I love singing, if you know I can sing, you know a songwriter in that same school kwina songwriter. So angalia kama Trio mio shukuru niyo no ine, right? Ona kirekia form 4 mano ena hit songs
na bado asha establish empire yake.
Exactly.
A YouTube channel strong and running.
Fandom yaku ure niramenya atiriri ona uma shukuru ure, in as much as twagotari tuheaga nyimbo back to back ton turamenya heha hekidwa rekari, this guy is earning. Yani mama wanyu doesn't have to struggle a lot yate ai
The future ya mundu uyu.
yeah mundu already ni asekiwete kiria. So the moment tuge for example tu shukuru emwe waboi noine you can write. Why don't we come up together to gure atiriri nyewe nyandikagira rwimbo twathie school break ri mzaye haha akejuria urashutire ye
nginya ukamuinira muka make corrections. Why are you laughing though?
Maybe sadahura
Okaba kumwikira intro ini gwake igwe nginya the beats
dahura bisa nginyira jao jao ikarete yo ate kama muragata
eni athikiriria rwimbo kani rwega kani rukuria
gabia kumwira namba tasen and your body language speak to me akajogia hau gata
uguo ni kuga atia
yani side cia mwiri waku ri niranjariria
agikwira gata tathathaura rwimbo ruu ukambia zero rege your body language speaks to me wabuita tathaura haha. Yeah, why not? Yeah. You see for Chris Brown, Chris Brown re his greatest supporter akoragwe mamu wao. Chris Brown akiruta rwimbo guo mamu wao ka rwimbo ruraino atia ruhuana atia
niwe
gatrailer kau ka rwimbo coming soon
njikirira
mama yake anaeka hapo. I follow her on Instagram na naonanga Chris Brown akienda hadi concert ama events the mom ona ako hapo nginya agicokeria andu ngatho oh thank you for showing love to Breeze
Breeze kiria
yeah.
Ona I think atapia nani dika ni bana I think bana ama Davido one of them either bana kana Davido
ni
bana boy yeah the mom is always there. You see whenever you have
the concert
you see whenever you have an intentional parent from the word go Daishire for example let me like go riegeke for example Daishire you get a man who is very serious with you will you nanimwambia ko date KK okay mutikinyete the part of you marrying and stuff will you go opening to your mom like mimi nimepata mtu ama you'll wait until the day it becomes serious yako engage niguo kumwira rehari akinyete I have someone?
Well, for me it could depend. It depends.
But of course from the word go, if someone is hitting on you, not tell your mom.
Why would I tell her and I'm not sure if we are going to end up together?
No, it doesn't matter if you end up together. The thing is, if someone is hitting on you, you're not telling your mom about it.
No, I'm not.
You see, there's a girl I was seeing on TikTok. Arugaga, the mom was the first person she drank wine with.
Oh, I saw her.
And she was like, my mom, if someone starts katiaring me today, me be like, mom, kuna kijana anataka ABCD. How do I go about it? Mom, the guy wants to take me for a date. What do I wear? Well, there's my father's girlfriend. You see, whenever you have an intentional parent, because I will put it as intentional, you know, someone who is growing with you. She's growing and you're growing. You people are growing together. When you get my anyoye, it's probably read the ABCD. You see, for you, you're still fresh in the career, in that line of life. But whenever you see when your mom tells you, "Ai, haha dokagerio," we mwenyewe na we mwenyewe kwa dhamiri yako emwe you'll be like, "Ai, hapa ugigwa mama mitoka digekyo kuore." It's because probably it's not a good thing.
She knows.
Yeah. No, the moment we kate, the moment watu wetururira weika mutori ati no ora ushaliria. Matukio kidogo ni kwamba kumamukira tha.
Sometimes nyona atashiria itori undo ni ana hau gatene. Nyona like we tare ginya ibwetu twakinya hata certain age tushajagia now we become the parent and they become like the children.
You see, both of us are growing together because after them it's not like they knew about anything about parenting. Hata wao walikuja wakapata aya nishakuwa mzazi. So the moment we urakura
kupata ama labda huyo mtu hata aliolewa cha nguvu ethairwo muthuri na kuwa kiro Friday
uthame na nguo ciaku
Friday ni ugathi kwangania turaikarire thi turona ni wega muikarani. Yeah, sometimes I feel like demwe ningiragia kuma understand because you see now this is a new generation. Yeah, the things they knew timo mekuo thaici
True. Haya, mwiroreri wa Muthingi TV ndikika na we hihi ni ugeretie kuhe muturire second chance na hihi ani mariko gwikoretwo gika wona plan A angiko ndiraruta kana ndina work plan B yaku niriko korwo gitwariria kuria nenda-ini citu ciothe cia ukinyaniria na hu niho tugukorwo tugitirihira ndereti muthenya wa umuthi tucemanie weekend yukite aginyagia hindi iyo ngwire Ngai wa muoyo akwende akuige na akurathime iye getika kaireti ka mathako that sports girl mundu gwitwo wa boy wajao
na niye getwo Bill Hanyango. Have a lovely weekend.
Bye.
Dakika thate ni ciathira
umarejeri wa dakika 10 but sidhani zimenini kabisa ndiye noyo urahurira
ni ciathira kweli
uyu no